Welcome back to the tutorial series about TypeScript. Now we are finally writing some code. So in this episode, you will see the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript and how to run them and compile TypeScript to JavaScript code. So first of all, we are going to install TSC. This is the TypeScript compiler. After this, we can run tsc --init, which is creating a TypeScript config.json file. Now we should be able to compile TypeScript code to JavaScript code. First of all, let's see how we would write some functions in JavaScript. So for this, we open index.js. Now I was creating an index.js file. In this file, we can declare let hello equals hello world. This is the syntax. So the first one, this let, is that we want to assign it to a variable. After this, it's the variable name. And then the equal sign means that we assign this hello world string, because it is in double quotes, to the variable name hello. So every time we do console.log hello, in this we see it's of type string, and then it should show us hello world. To see this, we can go into our folder and run node index. What was it? Oh, I didn't save it. We can go here and run index.js, and we see it print out hello world. So then there's something like an if hello equals hello world console.log equal. So now it should tell us equal in the console. We can run the same command again, and it says equal. And then we can run a for loop, which is the same. Let I equals 0, so the variable I is 0. And then the next condition, I is smaller than 5. And then after every time we go through this for loop, we make I++, which means I plus 1. And then we console.log it out, which should print us, oh, I didn't save it again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the basics of this function. So now the TypeScript part. To do it, we can just like open an TypeScript script.ts. TS is the important part. The before thing is the name. TS means TypeScript. So now we have a TypeScript file, and let's do the same thing again. Let hello equals hello world console.log hello. So now you think we can run node TypeScript.ts file, but now we can run node TypeScript.ts and compile it the same. And again, we can do like if hello equals hello world. We can do console.log true, for example, now, and then we can also do this for, oops. We can also run the for loop. pipe console.log I, and we should have the same output as before. So now what is the difference? So now we're now in the TypeScript file, and let's say we want to assign hello to a number. So we say hello because we don't need to we don't need to instantiate the variable, equals 1. It throws us an error. Type number is not assignable to type string because 1 is type number and this is a type string. We cannot do this. And when we go now in the JavaScript file, we do the same. Hello equals 1. No error. You don't want this because this is type string. You don't want this because now also this one is not correct here. And we can, like you can see in node index.js, we can still compile it, which is wrong because we don't want to assign a number to a type string. When we compile it to JavaScript, we also get an error, like here. So this is like the real benefits. You can also, if you have we remove this. If you have an user object, for example, where the name is John, this has an age. Let's give it a location of New York. And you can see it now here. But you can also assign this a type. So you know how to create this user component if you need multiple of this. So you can say type a user equals string name string, then it has an age of a number and again the location of type string. And now you can assign this the type user field, and if you add some, let's say gender male, you get this error because it is not present in the type user. You can also, you get this error, and then you can also const user2, and then you can see here in the top, we get autocomplete for this. So we can say name equals John again, then local, and the age. And here we have the new user. And like this, you can also assign like type a user2. You can do the same, but now you should add a gender parameter of type string, and then you can say type a user full equals the user or the user2, the user full, and now you can say this one or the gender field, and both are correct because it can choose between these two types, and these two types are either name, age, local, or name, age, local, and gender. And this is like the advantages of TypeScript, because when you're in bigger projects, you can manage your types. So if you want to see more about TypeScript and dive more deep into it, leave a like and comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.